Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the mesmerizing realm of time manipulation in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's dive in and master the art of time. To achieve beautiful slow motion effects, it is essential to understand the concept of frame rates. Frame rates determine the number of frames displayed per second, affecting the perceived read of your footage. Normally, if you create a sequence, just go to sequence and here select sequence settings. You can see the time base and the frame rates are selected. The frame rates that is about 24 to 25 are used for the videos that are uploaded in the TVs and the YouTube as well. For the frame rates, just like this video, the 59.94 or the 60 frame per second, these are the frames per second that are mainly used in the slow motion and the cinematic effects that you have seen before. As I have this video in the 60 frame per second, I'll just create a sequence with it. Now let's remove the audio of this. Here, if I play the video, you can see the video is very smooth. Let's increase its size. You just hold the Alt key and scroll up to see. You can see there's a line here. You can use this line to use the opacity. But for now, we will use the pen tool here just like that. Or you can enter P from the keyboard to select the pen tool. Now at the FX, you can see there is a small icon and the opacity. Just right click on it. And here select the time remapping for speed. You can also slow down your video just by selecting a video and right click on it. Here select the speed duration. Just select it and write the percentage of your speed. So if I want the half of the speed, I'll just write 50% and hit OK. Now you see the speed of the video is decreased. But for now, we will use the time remapping version that uses the pen tool to create our slow motion. Select the pen tool, just zoom in. Select the part of the video that you want the video to have some slow time. I'll choose this part. I'll add another one here and the one at right this start and the one before this one. Now select the selection tool and zoom in and select the middle part to increase or decrease the speed of your video. You see if I drag down, the speed of the video is decreasing. It is now 26%. If I decrease more, that is 11, 10, 9, 4 and just like that. Let's stick with the 50%. Now if I play the video is in normal speed and now it is in slow motion. And then after this point, the speed is back to normal. You can select them and add the slow motion effect to this. You can use this slider that shows the smooth transition. And just like that. Let's create another one. I'll use the pen tool. I'll add one here. And one at this point. One here and one at this point. Select the selection tool. Select the middle line. And drag it down to about 30%. Or if I play the video, it is normal. Now it is slow motion. Okay, you can make the transition smoother. Just like that. Now if I play the video, let's delete this one for now. You can simply just select them and delete them. Now let's play the video. That's a normal video speed. And now we're having a transition. And just like that. Now once you're done with slowing of the video, let's move on to increase the speed of your video. I'm going to delete all of them. And now from here, I'll zoom in Again, if you want to increase the speed of your video, just right click on it and click on speed duration. Here select the speed to about 200%. This will develop the speed. And just like that, you have speed up your sequence of your video. Again, if you want to add the time frames or the keyframes to this, just select the pen tool. Here select the video. Here select the video part that you want. Add another one and back up this one. Now select the selection tool. Here increase the slider to upside. And once I do that, you'll see the speed of the video is increased. The speed is about 145% and now it is about 200%, just like that. Now if I play the video, it's a normal, still normal, and now the speed of the video is increased. You can increase more of speed just by dragging it to the upside. Also, you can add the transition here. Just select this, drag it to your left. This will create a sequence and a transition for your video. And once I play the video, the speed is increasing. Now the speed is increased. And just like that, the speed is increased and back to normal. With the help of this, you can make some transitions, you can make some animations, or you can slow down or speed up your video. Also, if you have some audio, you can use the audio. If I play it down right here, you can create some markers with it. You can add some markers in the video, so you can use the music beats for the video editing. You can use the audio beats for the exact moment for increasing or decreasing the speed of the video. There's also one thing that you can use the freeze frame for your video. For example, if you like this part and you want the video to be stopped at this point, you can simply just make a cut here. Just zoom in, go just like that, and make a cut here. Select the video. Let's put it down right here. Go to the ending. Here select the video, just right click on it. Here select the frame hold options. Now add the frame hold on this point. Use the time code. Here select OK. Now you have a freeze frame of your video. If I play the video, you see it's a freeze frame. It's like a screenshot within a video. That also comes in handy when you use the videos for the slow motion or the fast motion. And that's it. You have unlocked the power of the time manipulation in Premiere Pro. With this ability to slow down and speed up footage, you can add depth, emotion, and excitement to your videos. Remember to experiment and practice, and let your creativity soar. Keep pushing these boundaries, and until next time, happy editing. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. I hope if you like this video, these other tutorials for the video editing might help you in the future.